on the pool deck for the women's 50 meters freestyle 13. The S13 class is for swimmers with a visual impairment. I think the official diagnosis, I think, is, they call it 6/60, so I think someone with 20/20 vision can see over 60 meters away. These swimmers can only see it 6 meters away. That's the extent of the visual impairment. Naomi Sirap goes in 1 for Romania. Curero for Spain in lane 3. Balashova from Ukraine in 4. Just seen Rhiannon Henry from Great Britain in 5. And Kravtsov from Germany. Alina Kravtsov trying to follow her teammate Daniel Simon to try and get a medal for the home nation. Iryna Balashova got 2 silvers so far, and on either side of her are swimmers who have had gold medals at these championships. Begona Curero from Spain in 3 took gold in the breaststroke, and Rhiannon Henry from Great Britain took gold in the 200 medley. Can Balashova get a gold medal on this occasion to go with her 2 silvers?
Balashova away pretty well in lane 4. Rhiannon Henry in lane 5 for Great Britain in the lead. Only just. Rhiannon Henry, Balashova. Balashova now ahead of Henry. Balashova from the Ukraine. Half a metre ahead, Rhiannon Henry in silver, but it's going to be very tight at the finish. Balashova, does she get there? She does, just 28.43. 14/100ths of a second ahead of Rhiannon Henry of Great Britain. Curero takes the bronze.
Balashova had to work all the way for that one. She was pushed by Rhiannon Henry absolutely to the end. Look at that finish. Wow, great finish from the Ukrainian. Balashova and Rhiannon Henry. Rhiannon Henry just 5/100ths outside her own British record for 2nd position. Curero does take the bronze for Spain, but the gold by just 14/100ths goes to Iryna Balashova of Ukraine.